In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails automatically in Pipedrive. We'll build a simple workflow that sends a thank you email after you close a deal, with a short delay so it feels thoughtful and timely. First, log into your Pipedrive account and head to your profile. From there, open Tools and Apps. This is the hub where you connect features like email, automations, and integrations. Think of it as the control center for extending what Pipedrive can do. Next, go to Automations and add a new automation. Automations in Pipedrive let you link a trigger, something that happens in your CRM, with an action, like sending an email. They save you time and keep your follow-ups consistent. Give your workflow a clear name so your team recognizes its purpose. Rename it to Deal 1 Email Automation. This workflow will send a thank you email to people you've just completed a deal with, and keep the door open for future opportunities. Now set the trigger. Choose Event Trigger. A trigger is the starting signal for your automation. It tells Pipedrive when to run the workflow. Select Deal, then choose Added, and apply the trigger. To make sure it only runs for closed-won deals, add an if-else condition, and choose Deal Status Is. Pick 1 and apply the condition. 1 marks a deal as successfully closed, so this keeps your emails relevant to genuine wins. It's time to define the action. Set an action and select Send Email. This action sends a message directly from your connected mailbox in Pipedrive, so all communication stays tracked on the deal. Click Send Email, then click Next, and Next again, to move into the email setup. Choose the recipients. Select Deal Contact Person Email and Deal Creator Email. That way, the customer receives the message, and the deal owner gets a copy for visibility. Add your email subject, keep it clear and appreciative, and write the body of your email. Personalize where possible. You can reference the deal or use merge fields so each message feels tailored. When you're happy with it, apply the action. Add a delay so the email doesn't fire instantly. Set a delay, then choose 1 day, and apply the delay. Delays space out your communication and make automated messages feel more human. Finally, save your automation, save again to confirm any changes, and set it to active. That's it. Your thank you emails will now send automatically after deals are won, without any extra clicks. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.